And maybe I'll walk around and take that one. So next we have Dan, how do you pronounce your last name?
Cuellar.
Cuellar. Dan Cuellar. I'll just let you, oh, this is the Buzz, the iOS stuff, right?
Yes.
Ready?
Let me open PowerPoint.
Set?
All right. Hopefully PowerPoint works. All right. Where's the play button? Where is it? There it is. This is really low res. All right, I'm ready.
Not on this screen.
I'll be nice. 10.
Oh, I need to plug it in.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Could someone hold this in?
3, 2, 1. Ready, go, start.
All right, I'm here to talk about the native app driver for iOS. So you'll see things like iPhone driver that can automate like a web UI view or whatever within an app. But no good application writer for iOS just makes a web view in their app, and that's their app. I'm calling you out, Facebook, wherever you are. You should use real Cocoa controls, like a lot of people do. So anyways, my solution requires zero code to be added to the application under test. Uses Apple's existing iOS JavaScript UI automation framework, so it's already supported and it works. The pros are it adds real-time control through a bit of hacky magic that I won't go into here, but you will see when I release the code. Allows users to run cross-client tests using both browsers and iOS device, so combining Selenium with this. And it's likely portable to Android and Windows Phone, though I haven't done it yet. So some more pros. Developers can add ID-like element identification using the accessibility APIs in iOS. And any of the information from the instruments can be used in these tests, like screenshots, CPU usage, memory leaks, call stacks, crashes. A few dozen other things you can write your own. It's all good. And then the only con is that there's a performance bug in Apple's automation suite with this one function that I use a lot. And so you need to batch commands together to make them run fast. So that's all the talking I'm going to do. If you want to email me, it's just d@zeus.com. Oh, by the way, I'm Dan Cuellar. I lead the QA department at Zeus. I manage all the manual and automated testers. So now that we have this closed, let's just see a demo. So I'm going to start with the video. Here's an example of the cross-client automation. Let's full screen it. So here we have Selenium controlling, looks like Firefox, and we have my thing controlling the iPhone. And so here we made an account using our API, and we're just verifying that on both our clients we can sign in with it. So you can see it integrates pretty seamlessly right into our existing Selenium tests. And I will show you a little bit what that code looks like. Yeah, let's kill QuickTime. So let's go to the code. And you'll see that, oh, doesn't this look a whole lot like Selenium? It's just you have tap instead of click, et cetera, et cetera. And the nice thing is, I'll show you, Apple has basically already given us Selenium IDE for us built into Xcode. Where's Xcode? That's not Xcode. So you can see it looks a lot like Selenium code. You can look at the different hooks for stuff. Oh, this tab bar isn't as big as it was on mine. Where's one I can look at? So if you look here, these let's see, is this the one I want to look at? Is the other one? No, that's one that looks bad. You can put accessibility like IDs in there. So you can see here for this login button, we just put login in our iOS app and we're able to access it that way. Done with Mono now. Let's go to here. And I will show you how you can use instruments as Selenium IDE to sort of record. I use it mainly just to get the hooks into things when I don't add them myself. But it's already built in for you, which is really nice. Hopefully this compilation doesn't take too long. How much? 2 minutes? Okay. Stupid compiler. I guess while that's going, well, I better not while that's going, or it's going to slow it down even more. So, yeah, you can just walk around and click through the app much as you can in IDE. I wonder where they got the idea. They probably came to this conference. All right. Here we go. So here's instruments. If you've never used it, it's a profiling tool for any Xcode or any Objective-C app, I'll just say. And it just boots your app in here. And oh, this is really low res. This isn't going to work very well. So then we would go to add new script, blah, 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 hit record. And now, thanks. Are we recording now? You can see that I just clicked the cancel button and it gave me the different hook for it. All right, so that's sort of the Selenium IDE functionality. And then lastly, I will show you the mother of all the tests, if I can get it to. I'm just going to do the movie because I don't trust me to run it in time. So here is a really crazy test we wrote, which tests the entire edit profile scenario on Zeus. So editing the date card, as we call it. Let's full screen this. 1 minute. Yeah, this video isn't a minute long. So this is sort of the stuff we've been able to do with it. We haven't. The only thing we found one or two controls that have been difficult to automate, but it didn't take us very long to. What's this? Let me fast forward. Okay, there we go. So you can see we can log into the Zeus dating iPad app here, and we can get through it. And here we're just going to generate random profile info using functions already in our Selenium automation. And we're going to input it into this form. And so all you're really waiting for here is all these actions to finish, all the drawing to finish. But the framework's actually pretty fast. 30 seconds. So with my last 30 seconds, I would like anyone interested in this to send me an email at d@zeus.com, and let's get this rolling, and let's get this integrated somewhere so everyone can use it. It's really easy to use. It's ready to go pretty much. I've got the green light to open source it. So that's all I have. That's awesome. Thanks.
Everyone in the future conferences and today, although it's probably too late for whoever's left, video demos, totally pro, totally awesome, highly recommend it. That's how you do it. Whoops.